Good day everyone, I'm Huiyu. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 2010 125 anniversary of KTM 3-in-1 proof set. Before I take a closer look at the proof set, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about this 3-in-1 proof set. So, for this proof of set of 3, there are 250 sets issued by Bank Negara. Inside it contain 1 ringgit Nordic coin, 10 ringgit silver, and 100 ringgit gold. The date of issue was on 1st of June 2010. Issue price is 1,450 ringgit, and this is minted by Kilang 1, Bank Negara Malaysia. Now, I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on situation. Now, as for the detail of each of the coin, I will put it at the video description. I won't be going through the book to show you all the detail. Alright. I'm sure you are very eager to have a look at this 3-in-1 proof set. Now, if you buy it, this is if you buy this 3-in-1 proof set, this is how it should look like. It should be in this blue box. It's a nice, it's a leather type surface box. Now, this one you cannot just open like that. You have to press this to open. And here should have the Bank Negara Malaysia logo, and it should contain these 2 pieces of paper. One is the certificate of authenticity, another one is the history. I will write this one at the video description as well for you to read. Now, this is how it should look like when you buy one. And then here have the technical specification of the coin, which will appear at the video description later on. Oops, sorry. Alright, now let's take a look at the coin, which you all want to read. Look. Now, let me take it out. Let's start with the Nordic gold first. This is. Let me close it first. This is how the front of the 1 ringgit coin look like. All the coins are in improved condition, so you see a mirror-like surface. There's a silver. This is the gold. Let me try to refocus it. Yep, this is a 100 ringgit gold coin. It's a proof condition. So this is how the overall 3-in-1 proof set should look like when you buy. This one you press pull here, and that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.